Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 1, second part, that is second question in exercise 4.3 quadratic equations. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. So here again a quadratic equation is given to us. We have to find the roots. So here we have to use the method of completing the square. So what is the basic step? So what is the coefficient of x square? It is 2. So we have to divide this entire equation by 2. So when you divide this equation by 2, here we end up with expression like this. X square plus x by 2, and again here 4 by 2 becomes 2. So this is our equation. So as we all know, you see here, this is your a square and this is your 2ab. So what is 2ab? 2ab is equal to x by 2. What is a? A is nothing but x. So when you substitute the values, you see x and x, they get cancelled, and finally the value of b is 1 by 4. Now we are going to introduce this b term to this equation. So how we are introducing? You see here we are adding that b term. Okay, this is your b term. So here we are adding that b square as well as subtracting the b square. So why we are doing so? Because so here the main purpose of adding and subtracting that b square term is now we are going to combine these three terms together. So here the value of b is 1 by 4. So you see all these three terms are written as such. We have introduced these two terms. One is plus b square and another one is minus b square. Because these two terms will cancel each other and we will be having our original expression. So whatever alteration we do in an equation, it should never disturb the original equation. So that's the reason why here we are adding a b square term. At the same time we are subtracting the b square term. So now when you look closely, when you look at the first three terms, you see this stands for a square and this is your 2ab and this is your b square. So you can write these three terms as a plus b the whole square. Therefore what is a here? A is nothing but x, and what is b here? B is nothing but 1 by 4. So now it is x plus 1 by 4 the whole square. And this 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16 and this minus 2. Now I am moving these two terms to the right hand side. So they become plus. And the next step is we are going to take LCM. So here 16 into 2 is 32. So 32 plus 1 by 16, which gives you 33 by 16. Now we are going to take square root on both sides. So when you take square root, what happens? You see when you apply square root, this square and this square root, they will get cancelled. That is x plus 1 by 4 whole square, right? This square root and this square, they cancel each other. And here we have x plus 1 by 4, which is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 by 16. So what is square root of 16? It is 4. Now finally what is x? I have moved this 1 by 4 to the right hand side. So plus 1 by 4 becomes minus 1 by 4. Now what are all the two roots? Okay, the first root is with the plus sign. Okay, plus square root of 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. And the second root is minus square root of 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So these two roots are the solutions for the given quadratic equation. So this is one method of solving this problem. Now we will proceed with our method 2. So we are going to solve this same quadratic equation by method 2. So here what is this method 2 is, we will be try to write this first term in the form of square. So we have x square, so it is easy to write x here, but we can't write 2 here because 2 square will make you 4, right? So in order to write the first term in the form of square, we are going to multiply this entire equation by some other numbers. So first I proceed with 2 because 2 into 2 is 4, right? So that is 4x square can be easily written as 2x the whole square, right? So this entire equation I am multiplying by 2. Therefore here it becomes 4x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now the next step is we are going to write this equation, that is this part, okay. This stands for a square and this stands for 2ab. Now I have to write this expression in the form of 2ab. So this 2 here, what is a? A is nothing but 2x. So 2 into 2x into, I have to write some values for b. So you see here I have only 2x, but obviously here I am getting 4x and still I need some other number to be multiplied. Therefore multiplying by 2 is not the correct solution. Therefore this is not possible. Now I am proceeding with 8. So 8 2s are 16 and 4 square is 16, right? So I am multiplying this entire equation by 8. So what happens? 2 into 8, 16. So 16x square, then 8x minus 32 equal to 0. So again 16x square can be written as 4x the whole square plus, again this stands for 2ab. So 2 into what is a? A is nothing but 4x. Right, so 2 into 4x, this already makes 8x here, and now here the value of b is taken as 1. Right, and so the value of b is 1. So I am adding, okay, I am adding b square as well as subtracting b square, and this final term I have written here. Now the first 3 terms I am combining, I am writing it as a plus b the whole square. So a is 4x and b is 1. Minus, so here I have minus 1 square minus 32. So minus 1 square is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 32 gives minus 33. So 4x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 33. Now we are going to take square root. So when you take square root on both sides, you see the square root and square get cancelled, and whenever a square root is taken, it is mandatory to write plus or minus sign. So plus or minus root of 33. Now this 4x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 33. Now I am going to move this 1 to the right hand side. So this plus 1 becomes minus 1, and finally we need only x. So I am moving this 4 also. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 33 minus 1 by 4. So this is the solution for the given quadratic equation. We can split and write the two values of x. So one is with plus root 3 minus 1 by 4, and another one is minus minus square root of 33 minus 1 by 4. So again finally the roots are square root of 33 minus 1 by 4 and minus square root of 33 minus 1 by 4. Right. So again we are getting the same answer, but the method is totally different. So again this is up to you to select which method to use to solve the problem. Anyway your final answer will be the same. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.